Hola, Class A. Today we're going to take a step back from grammar and vocabulary and do a little bit of culture. The country for this unit is Spain. Spain is a country that is near and dear to my heart. I spent a semester abroad there while I was in college, and then I've been there for a teacher conference, and then I've also taken students there in the summer of 2018, and then I'm going to be taking students again, hopefully next summer, to Spain again as well. So this is a place in Spain, in the southern part of Spain. It's called La Alhambra. It was a Moorish palace. It was the last Muslim stronghold in Spain during the time of the Muslim rule of Spain. It's a beautiful palace, and thankfully nobody tore it down, so you can visit it today. I'm going to take you through some of my own personal pictures of this place. I've been there twice, and again plan on taking students next summer. And then after this today, I'll give you your instructions for your assignment. So here's one of the pictures of one of the most famous places in the Alhambra. What they really like about this picture, an important part of the whole palace, is the concept of water. And with this pool, what's really cool about it is that on a clear day, you can get a direct reflection of the palace, and that's what you can see here in this picture. So again, it's a beautiful building. A lot of people would say you can't leave Spain without seeing it, and this is part of that. This is the Patio of Lions. It was closed this last time that I was in Spain, but I was able to see it when I studied abroad several years ago. And so here is a famous fountain. Again, it's the Fountain of Lions that people always associate with the Alhambra. The detail within the walls and the architecture is just extraordinary, and most of the building, especially if it has Muslim background, is like this. There are parts of it that now has Catholic background with it as well, but this one, this part of it has the Muslim Moorish background, and it's just extraordinary architecture and detail. And there's more of that there in that picture. This is inside, so a lot of this palace is kind of like an outside type thing. Spain is pretty hot most of the year, especially southern Spain, and so they didn't have a lot of things that were super enclosed. But this is another patio you can go through. And again, you can see even on the walls, the tiles are original, and they are very, 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 very detailed. And this, like I said, this building is just it's extraordinary. There's another view of what you can see there. Again, fountains and water play a big part in this palace, and so there's another garden area with some fountains. This is a view. So the Alhambra is located in the city of Granada, which is located in southern Spain. This is a view of the Alhambra from obviously a different side of the city, a different cliff. And so I was able to take a picture. It's not just a simple little building, it's a huge compound, which again, it was a palace. Here's more pictures of water. In the summer, the gardening is just extraordinary, and that's what you can see here. Again, this is just more detail you can see. If you can also see through the arches, you can see the city again. The city is one of the, a lot of the buildings are whitewashed just to make things a little bit cooler, because again, this is a part of Spain that's pretty hot most of the year. And the city of Granada itself is beautiful, but they do get to see the Alhambra, this palace up on this hill at all times, and it is just a massive, beautiful structure to behold. This is a picture of Mr. Bright and I there a couple years ago when we had our students there. We were there in the summer, so the flowers were beautiful, and it's just a really special place to visit. So if you ever make it to Spain, or if you're ever interested in going to Spain with me, this would be a place that we will always visit, because it is just extraordinary. So today for your assignment, there's another video. It's only about 4 minutes long. I really would like you to watch it. It's where they take you on a tour of the Alhambra. Afterwards, you have a passage that you're going to read about the Alhambra in English, and then you're going to answer 10 questions about it in complete sentences in English. Once you're finished with that, you may turn it in. If you have any questions, you can always ask me, but just take a minute just to enjoy and pretend that you're in some other place other than just stuck at home, and take a trip to the Alhambra. Thank you and have a good day.